Amber Donnelly. I'm here at my newest listing in Chilkoot, California on Hillside Drive. Lots of space here, beautiful views, not far from Frenchman Lake and many outdoor activities. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more listing videos. But take a look at the inside of this beautiful property and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to share this video. Beautiful spot, beautiful area, only 30 minutes from Reno as well. So if you want to commute there for work, this would be a great property and it is priced to sell. Check it out.